To produce a sample on lath and base coat, apply lath with pre-blended cement base coat at a minimum of a ½ inch thick. The base coat should be flat and appear similar to a brown coat. If applying a 3/8 inch coat of Thermocromex, 7/8 inch casing beads would be needed. If Thermocromex has been specified at a thickness greater than 3/8 inch, increase the size of the bead and apply Thermocromex at the specified thickness. 7 kilograms of Thermocromex will cover 4 square feet at 3/8 inch thickness. Thermocromex can be applied up to 3/4 inch in one pass and up to 1.5 inches in 2 passes. Let base coat cure for 3 to 5 days to allow for shrinkage and cracking before the application of Thermocromex. Thermocromex will bridge any shrinkage cracks in the base coat. Once base coat is cured, dampen by spraying evenly with potable water, as seen here, 30 minutes before applying Thermocromex. The basic tools required for Thermocromex are seen here and consist of a 5-gallon bucket, drill with paddle, hawk with trowel, feather edge, timer, potable water, sponge float, plastic trowel, and 7 kilograms of pre-tinted Thermocromex. See specific instructions for specified finish for additional tools that may be required. To mix Thermocromex, start by adding 44 ounces of potable water to the bucket, followed by slowly adding the 7 kilograms of pre-tinted Thermocromex to the water while drilling material. Water content will vary due to climatic conditions. If working in hot weather, increase water by 2 ounces, and in cold weather, decrease water by 2 ounces. Once the material and water are combined, mix continuously for 7 minutes, making sure any dry material on the bottom of the bucket is mixed properly. Material will appear dry during initial mixing. Do not add water as material will loosen during the mixing process. Watch as the mixing process takes place. Apply Thermocromex with hawk and trowel by placing material onto sample area. Keep sample upright to allow for proper curing. Immediately screed the Thermocromex to a flat, even surface using a feather edge as seen here. Material should be firm to the touch. When pressing finger into the sample, a slight indentation is formed. Use a damp sponge float to flatten surface. After sample is complete and if humidity is below 80%, mist sample with potable water to maintain the hydration and curing process. Misting will need to be performed 2 to 3 times per day for 3 days.